Opulent Resorts in Turks and Caicos Islands, Part 5. Blue Haven Resort. The all-inclusive Blue Haven Resort provides a private getaway at the most prestigious location in Turks and Caicos. A hassle-free and pleasant beach vacation are guaranteed by Blue Haven's small but private beach, which offers a true boutique hotel experience. The tranquil canal waters and nearby mangroves can be explored by paddleboard or kayak, using the complimentary non-motorized water sports, which are perfect for those looking for a little adventure. Some activities that can be performed at the resort are scuba diving, kayaking, jet skiing, semi-submarine rides, and sunset cruises and sails. There is a golf course nearby. The all-inclusive Alexandra Resort, a sister property of Blue Haven and a member of the Turks and Caicos collection, sits nearby on Grace Bay Beach and offers its amenities to Blue Haven visitors. Every half hour throughout the day, the free shuttle service transports visitors between the two resorts. For groups, private events, and family gatherings, there are studios, bedroom suites, 2 and 3 bedroom suites, and 2 penthouse apartments available. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.